yeah. Oh, yes. Hi everybody, thank you for joining me today. In today's video, I'm going to be smoking some beef ribs in my 26-inch Weber. I'll be using Kingsford Blue along with pecan chunks. I'm going to be seasoning with kosher salt and fresh cracked pepper along with some Montreal steak seasoning, which is wonderful on steaks, so it should be phenomenal on these beef ribs. Excellent. Let's check out these ribs. We're gonna do a little bit of trimming, so let's get started. All right, here is our beef rib, beef rib plate as they call it. It has 4 bones. You can see that? 3 bones, excuse me. 1, 2, 3. And the first thing we're gonna do is remove the fat cap and as much of the silver skin as we can. So, got a sharp boning knife. And I got my slicer too. I have a lot of confidence in my slicer. Let's go with the boning knife. I'm just gonna get right underneath the silver skin and the fat cap. Just clean her right up. This way I could have bark on more the meat than anything else. Gotta use a sharp knife. Certainly helps. And incidentally, a sharp knife is a safer knife. So I'm going to go ahead and do so. I'm going to remove as much as I can. And of course, saving as much as the meat. So let me get that done. We'll get you right back. Alright, that's what she looks like. Let me give you guys there we go. So I removed as much of the fat calf and the silver skin off. Now I'm going to use the olive oil as a binder. You can use Worcestershire or no binder. I just love the olive oil on meat flavor for sure. I'm going to leave the membrane on the back intact. I'm not going to touch it, because it's going to help keep the structure of the rib once she's cooked. Excellent. So just some EVO. Now I'm going to hit it with some kosher salt. I'm not going to season the backside. Now I'm going to hit it with some fresh cracked pepper. Let me get some larger granules here. There we go. Beautiful. Nothing like fresh cracked pepper. Don't be shy with it. Don't be shy with it. All right. We have salt and pepper on her now. Now, I'm going to go ahead and use some Montreal seasoning. Montreal steak seasoning by McCormick. It's loaded with large granules of garlic and onion, spices. Just pat it down. Don't want to rub it off. Just pat her down. Beautiful. That looks absolutely gorgeous. Okay. I'm going to put her back in the fridge for 4 hours to give time for the spices and salt and pepper to get into the rib. All right, slide up these fire starters. Very nice. I got foil for easy cleanup. You know what I mean? I'll go ahead and add my water to the water trough. Either add it now, or if you add it when it's hot, go ahead and boil your water if it's hot. But if it's cold right now, you can add cold water. All right. Beautiful. All right, the pit is at 225. ribs are on, they look beautiful. That crust and that McCormick Montreal seasoning, excellent. We'll put the lid on her and let it go for a couple hours. Let's wrap these ribs up. Oh my God, they look beautiful. Wow. All right, 8 hours later, we're done. So I haven't opened it. Let's do it together. Smells amazing. Wow, it took all of 8 hours, but we had cold weather yesterday. Yes, look at that piece of meat. Holy smokes. All right, let's cut her open. Let's do that right here. Tender, very tender as all can be. Yes, got a beautiful smoke ring. Tender, tender. Oh, and it smells amazing. Beautiful bark. Well, let's give it a taste. I'm just gonna go right in. Holy cow. Oh my God. These are so good. Tender and juicy, just packed with flavor. With that Montreal seasoning, the salt and pepper. The hint of pecan smoke in the back. Oh, amazing. Low and slow in my 26-inch Weber. She crept up just about to 260, then I brought her back down to pretty much 250 the whole cook. It took over 8 hours, but it was worth the wait. Let me tell you, as good as any brisket. Oh my God. Beautiful. Thank you for stopping by today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing now. Leave a comment below, tell me what you think. Once again, thank you all. Thank you so much for spending some time with me today. And we'll see you guys here next time on The Guy Show. Goodbye, everybody.